Hi and welcome to 3D Prosper, where all your 3D printing videos come from. Well, almost every single one. Recently I designed a thing in tinkercad. I didn't show you, I haven't got the build process on building it, but I printed it out on my Delta 3D printer with G-Tech. Here we go. Here you can see I made a love art balloon on the beta version of the tinkercad. And if you look very carefully on one side, we've got this interesting pattern what my Delta 3D printer didn't duplicate on that side, but it did it on the back as well as the front. I think it's some kind of oscillation, vibration effect on the when it goes around, but focus. Looks quite interesting, doesn't it? This was printed on one perimeter at a 0.2 layer height. The first initial layer was 0.135, one bottom layer, one top layer. As you can see, the top layer didn't quite meet up, which now I've had to alter. And around the back, slightly there, didn't quite meet up, but at the front it did. And we have a slight variation in there. If you like Valentine's Day and love art balloons, at the moment I am printing X-idler from my machine, as this one is too tight and it lifted off the bed slightly there. Hope you like my YouTube video. As always, live long and 3D prosper. Thanks for watching.